nasa industry ako where I get to meet people with 8 to 9 digits net worth. And sagutin natin tong comment na to na ang problema na lang daw niya is yung 15 million. Tama na nga naman. That's the bigger problem. Hindi niya problema yung mga 6 or 10% and where to put kasi available naman talaga siya. Tell you honestly guys, yung mga 6 to 10% na investment vehicle, ginagamit lang yan ng mga rich people to park their money and to make them richer but not to get rich. So let me tell you a story of a friend na nag-start ng trabaho niya as a kitchen helper. So since hindi enough yung kanyang income as a kitchen helper, out of necessity, nagluto siya ng food sa garage ng kanyang kapatid and yun yung mga binebenta niya sa mga food bazaars. Then nag-resign na siya as kitchen helper pero nag-try pa siya ng other jobs na better yung income pero nagpo-food bazaar pa rin siya. And after 2 years of struggles sa kanyang pagpo-food bazaar, nakapag-open na siya ng isang first physical restaurant sa isang malaking mall. I remember sinabi niya before na sobrang hirap daw kasi that's the first business sa kanilang family. From permits na experience na yung hirap, to construction, to red tapes, and taking many loans. Problema pa sa systems, yung operations, and then yung suppliers, and then yung problema pa sa mga tao kasi syempre, yung iba nangungupit. Ang amazing lang kasi from a humble beginning of Food Bazaar, now meron na siyang different branches all over Metro Manila. I understand that having a business is hard and risky, but most of my wealthy friends, either galing sila sa high-paying job or meron silang successful business, kaya sila nag-accumulate ng wealth. So ikaw, if you want to accumulate wealth, ano sa palagay mo ang para sa'yo?